So what's going on YouTube? I know it's been a while. I haven't posted on a long time. And I don't want to make this video too long, but yeah, I kind of took a break out of YouTube, man. I've been posting a lot of my content now on TikTok, so you know, been focusing on that. And then right before I posted on YouTube the last time, there was just a lot of going on around that time that it just made it hard for me to post, you know. But no, I never gave up on YouTube, man. I just took a little break from it. Also too, one thing I like about TikTok is that it's so easy to post a video. Opposed to YouTube, every time I upload like a video, and obviously the longer the video, the longer it takes to upload to YouTube. On top of the thumbnails that you gotta edit, it just makes it much easier to post things on TikTok than on YouTube. So, you know, and also too, I've had a TikTok, you know, years ago, not under the same screen name, obviously. But I never knew that TikTok had a long form, you know. I didn't know that it was a long form. Like I to be honest, I thought TikTok was still about, you know, people dancing and whatnot. So I'm gonna try to move these that are out in my way. So, but yeah, that's kind of why I haven't posted. Let's see if I can move these. The heck? You see the stupidity in some people, man. Why would they put these in the way? Nah, I'm not even gonna move this. This is made out of glass. With my luck, this is gonna break and it's gonna shatter and make a mess. So I'm gonna make a note out of it. I am not able to pick up one container out of the 4. I try to move those cabinets by hand, and they're made out of glass, so I did not want to take a chance and break them on accident and make a mess, like I said. And also they're kind of heavy to move too. I only picked up 3 out of the 4. There you go. You want your stuff picked up, don't block the can. Now that, I'm not gonna say that was the customers, because there's a lot of people that come in overnight and put things there, you know. But if you're gonna put stuff, at least put it behind the can. Don't leave it in front. But yeah, man, I'm gonna try to post you know, maybe like once a week out of here. I also noticed that I could go live on YouTube, and I gotta check the guidelines too, if I'm able to go live while I'm driving, because I don't know what's up with that car. Just stopped right there. Yeah, because like you know, TikTok, like I said, there's so much that changed out of TikTok that I wasn't aware of. Even though I did have the application, and my wife uses TikTok a lot, I didn't know that TikTok went long form. You know, you could do short form videos on TikTok too, but I didn't know that you were able to post 10-minute long videos. So that's why, had I known that, I probably would have started posting on TikTok instead of YouTube first. And also too, when you upload videos out of TikTok, you don't have to wait that long. Even if I post let's say a 10-minute video on TikTok, you know, it's gonna take like 2 minutes or 3 minutes, 4 minutes at the most. The longer the video, the longer it takes to post. So opposed to YouTube, unless I'm doing something wrong, when I post a long video like that, man, it could be, damn, that cat just came out of that can. That could be like, you know, like over an hour, you know. And the thing too is, when you post on YouTube, you gotta have your phone or whatever you're using on and wait. You don't have to babysit the tablet or the phone, but you have to wait. You have to leave the screen on, wait till it posts, wait till it renders. So I said, you know what, man, I'm gonna try to focus on posting on TikTok and then try to see if I can grow a following. So yeah, man, that's basically what I've been doing, man. Like I said, there's actually one person that follows me on YouTube and then found me on TikTok, you know, messaged me, and I appreciate this guy, man. He seems very cool. I guess you could say he's probably my only fan so far. But yeah, he hit me up on YouTube. I mean on TikTok. He's like, hey man, what's up? Your trash verse. I'm like, yeah, what's up, man? Asked me, hey man, how come you haven't posted on YouTube? And you know, I kind of gave him the same explanation that I gave you guys. But yeah, man, that's it. And in the time that I haven't posted, I actually got a different truck. I don't have the Peterbilt no more. Now I have a Mac. If you actually go back in one of those videos some of those videos that I posted before this, I ended up taking the truck of one of the drivers that got fired. So I'm happy with this truck. I'm not gonna lie, it's much better than what I had before. And plus the truck that I had before, it just kept breaking down a lot. And you know, I got to the point where I told the supervisor that I'm done. I'm done dealing with this truck. You know, I told her, and I wasn't being a jerk about it. You know, I tried to be nice, but it just kept breaking down. I get it, it's an older truck, but it gets to the point where you can't get your job done like that, you know? And I don't want to be here. You start at 4 a.m. I don't want to be here all day. Nobody wants to be here all day. So once the opportunity came, I said, you know what, I need to get all over this truck, because this truck is newer than what I had. So, which also, when I got this truck, it had all kinds of issues. It was actually down for like a month before I got it for like a week. Then it got down for like a month. I want to say that it was leaking from the bottom. It was leaking oil or transmission. It was either leaking from the engine or the transmission. I don't remember now. But man, that thing took like over a month just to get it up. So, but yeah, man, that's it. I didn't want to make it too long. I'm gonna try to post a little more often now. And until next time.